Welcome to the second part of our Adventure Tech webinar, where we're going to talk about bridges and bridge collapses. Bridges are among the most critical pieces of infrastructure, carrying massive loads and connecting communities. However, they're also vulnerable to structural failures without continuous oversight. Recent bridge collapses highlight the dire need for real-time monitoring to detect and address hidden weaknesses before the disaster strikes. Let's look at the recent bridge collapse that happened in Dresden, Germany in September 2024. So just recently, in September 2024, a fully functioning bridge collapsed into a river in Dresden, Germany. Thankfully, no one got injured when that happened, since the bridge collapsed during the night and no traffic was on it. And that raises even more concerns. If a bridge collapsed without any vehicles on it in a country with top-tier engineering, just imagine what happens with bridges in third-world countries where traffic almost never stops and the construction practices are much less progressive. You might think that this is a unique case, yet unfortunately, it is not, and it happens constantly all around the world. Here's a case from Brazil and one from Singapore. Let's try to understand why did the bridge in Dresden collapse. The official answer to that is that the corrosion that developed with time caused by hydrogen-induced stress resulted in cracks that weakened the structure. What that means is that the bridge structure deformed over a period of time, and this tragic result could be avoided by implementing real-time monitoring solutions like our slab control sensor system that, if installed during construction process, would have showed the destructive deformation pattern and notified the stakeholders about the critical condition. And as well, our ground control sensor system that would track stability of the bridge and detect any settlement failure patterns. Thank you for tuning in. Please write down any comments you might have, and we will see you tomorrow.